across we have
abahandikiye yowegise n'abahozi babo ku rwego za diocese ashatu n'amushanje erikukora province y'Ikanisa ya Uganda okuje mu diocese ya Ankore ekatoranwa mu rukiko orwashitambira bakashangango Ankore diocese ombi kwate niyo wegise n'entunguka n'abakoraje.
We have learned something on how they manage the leadership of the schools. They have a succession plan. They know when people will retire. They know who to go where and when. So those are key areas that we intend to have in-depth discussions and how we can scale the good things across the nation.
Ankore diocese okubataya yerachi tushemize ahabuko tutungira umugisha kugira ngo abantu baza kumanya amashomero gitu ebintu birungi kandi bikuru ebugakora education coordinators bareba kandi batwire batakumanya nebyenseta kumanya
abaginyi omberebezi bankore baramuzibwa ebintu biwakwetangwa nebyo mutano
kandi tusimba bishop witu okureba ngo atebembireje yatcoordinatingaje kureba ngo amashomero ga Ankore diocese gagendo misho
omberebezi wankore aba nabo kumaramo ebiro bishatu omugana makuru abo abakorera government omurembo rwambara bakahumuzibwa basharamo kwekuramo umurimo bakora ikigombe kirabagite barece kuborabora.
Need to trace the death cases because those beneficiaries should somehow be part of you so that when you're handling issues to deal with pension, they also get to know that information. They are part of your WhatsApp group.
Echibachita MBARARA City Pensioners Association ekigombe cyatorana kandi cyarahiza abo abaraciye mbere
umure twayetana twakora ikigombe ntibasa kugira kubayo kutwayambana hati noreba ko kubya murimo utekateka ngo biruho byahwayo konko murimo ni kugenda gukerera mukago gukerera ngayizo bagira ngo utahe ugire bizibu so kimwe aha bintu bitwenda gukora nka association yagiye aba pensioners ba MBARARA City no kugira ngo aba barkwenda kuzo pension tubete tuganire nabo tubagambire ngo kumura nuko wazo munsi ndisho kana yine birungi byayo
aba TV West ndisenyomo Gideon.